Petitioner Bendl.
Bendl. These are my 4 children. My name is Heather Bendl. I am a mother of 4, a certified public school teacher in our state, yet I am blocked from even speaking to my children. On August 13th, 2021, under fraudulent orders lacking any lawful jurisdiction, 3 of my 4 children were unlawfully transferred from Illinois to Florida by Illinois Circuit 19, despite me holding sole legal custody at the time of the transfer. In 2023, my oldest daughter was then dragged down here against her will. Then came to find out I had the only legal custody of her. The transfers did not comply with UCCJEA rules. This was not a lawful relocation. This was state-enabled child trafficking under the color of law. Since arriving in Florida, the corruption has deepened. Judge Stasio warned, in November 2024, you issued an illegal contempt order against me, punishing me for attempting to defend my parental rights. You recused yourself after I exposed your conduct through a public records request. Judge Sandra Upchurch, you denied my emergency motion for custody, citing unfamiliarity with Florida's emergency custody law, 12.941D. This isn't just negligence, this is willful ignorance in the face of child endangerment. General Magistrate Alexander Alvarez, you ignored my sworn evidence of neglect and abuse. Evidence that includes Daytona police reports, school absences, and child disclosures. You were put on notice, you did nothing. Child Support Hearing Officer Neil Kaufman, in June 2025 hearing, you silenced my testimony and refused to allow me to contest the validity of enforcement on a void foreign order under UIFSA. Ellen Holtz, representing Florida Department of Revenue, you are now actively working to garnish my teachers' wages for a support order that was never legally registered under UIFSA, all while ignoring my formal legal objections. And let us not forget, Justin Serlick, the father documented for abuse in Illinois police reports, now holds my children hostage in Daytona Beach, where they have been consistently truant and academically failing with GPAs near 1.0 in Volusia County schools and is under investigation by DCF. Despite all of this, I, a dedicated educator and mother, is denied phone contact, visitation, or even updates about my children's well-being. I have no criminal record. I am a victim of judicial fraud and systemic bias, stripped of my rights without due process, punished for surviving, for protecting, and for refusing to be silent. This court has failed. I have exhausted every channel, motions, appeals, emergency writs, including a writ of prohibition, arguing the foreign order is void. Still, no one listens. To the 7th Judicial Circuit of Florida, to Judge Warren, Upchurch, Magistrate Alvarez, Hearing Officer Kaufman, and DOR Counsel Alan Holt, I say, we see you. This is fraud upon the court under the color of law. To the public, this is not an isolated tragedy. This is how children are trafficked through the courtroom. My children are not lost. They are stolen. I am demanding I be reunited with my children. We, the people of Volusia County, demand an investigation into my case and every other parent that speaks today. Thank you.